journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. 5 years ago I put exactly this step into action. I didn't know anything about solo backpacking, sleeping in hostels or how to buy skis in the desert. But that has changed really quickly and soon I couldn't get enough of it. I saw my first active volcano in Nicaragua. We lived with the Himba people for 2 days, an indigenous African tribe. We fell in love with the scooter in Chagao, the Philippines. I almost froze to death when we climbed the volcano in Lombok. We took our little skateboard to Sri Lanka. I spent 2 days at an orphanage in Sumba, a remote island of Indonesia, and met one of the friendliest children in the world. We were skiing in the desert of Morocco. I saw the Panama Channel, the gateway between the Pacific and the Atlantic Ocean. In the Philippines, we were part of a really stunning boat expedition. We visited the Wildlife Foundation in Africa and I found my favorite animal, the cheetah. I was chased by Dalmatian dogs in Central America. In Colombia, I saw the biggest palm trees in the world, which can grow up to 50 meters. We are unofficially record holder of towing a paraglider behind a car at the world's largest salt lake in Uyuni, Bolivia. There's a hostel in Panama, which you can reach only by boat, but they have a really long water slide direct into the ocean. We were sitting on the top of the highest waterfall in Sri Lanka. I was strapped to a really long zipline in Costa Rica. But let's see what else I have experienced. At the beginning you might start with a bucket list, but the more you travel, the more you realize that the best memories are often not from this list.
That's his head.
No, this is just the yellow part.
No, it's not.
No!
He ate it.
The whole thing?
Yes,
Yeah.
seaweed, but not smoke weed, okay?
What is that? Cheers.
Come here. Do you want to smoke?
Don't go that way.
Oh shit.
Oh my god.
Good camera.
Thanks.
I saw many beautiful beaches, landscapes, mountains, desert and roads. But the most important thing that makes you feel really comfortable are the locals, the cultures, animals and also the people you travel with. I think this video is a good opportunity to thank you all for the great support over the past few years. As you probably know, at the moment it's difficult to travel because of COVID. During editing this video I realized how much I miss it. Hopefully I can continue soon and start with the second chapter. I'm ready like never before.
What's your name?